To create this design, you need to add a cylinder. I will go with the 24 words. Then S Shift G, scale it along the X and Y axis. Then apply the scale. Go to the edit mode, use the knife tool and create slant cut like this. And then create cut along the X axis in this way. Then select the spaces and then SX, give the value 0. Then select the spaces and then extrude them along the normal like this. Give the proper offset and turn on the offset even. Then select this edge loop and SZ, give the value 0. Select this bottom faces and delete them. Select these faces and extrude them along the Y axis. Then select these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select these words and merge at last. Then select this edge and move it along the Y axis. Then select this edge loop, deselect these edges and move it along the Z axis. Select this edge and move it along the Z axis. Then add cut like this, one cut like this. Select this word and move it like this. Select this edge and use the edge slide. Select the spaces and scale them. Then select this edge loop and move it along the Z axis in this way. Then select these words and merge at last. Dissolve this edge, add one loop cut here. Select these words and press J to connect them. Add one loop cut here. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Dissolve this edge. Select these words and try to adjust the curve. Select this object. First understand the loop structure. The loop structure is like this here. Select these words and press J to connect them and dissolve this edge. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1, add 1 segment bevel. Hit the Ctrl 2 and add subdivision modifier, shades molded. Delete this top faces. Uncheck this option. Use the knife tool and create straight cut along the X axis in this way. And then create cut along the Z axis like this. Select these words and press J to connect them. Adjust the position of the words little bit to maintain good curve. Add one loop cut like this. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl V, add one loop cut like this. Dissolve this edge. Then you need to add one loop cut like this. Then you need to add one loop cut like this and one loop cut like this. Add a center loop cut like this. Then you need to add one loop cut here and one loop cut here. Select this edge loop, move it along the Z axis and scale it down. Dissolve this edge. Select this edge and E to extrude it like this. Select this edge loop and Ctrl D, add bevel on it. Use the knife tool and create cut along the Y axis. Add 2 loop cuts and then you need to add few loop cuts here. Select the spaces. Use the insert operation. Extrude along the normal. Use the insert operation. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B to add bevel on it. Add loop cuts like this. Press F to fill the gap. Use the insert operation. Use the insert operation one more time. Select these words and merge at the center. Take the symmetry. Dissolve this edge. There are 26 words. Delete this face. Select this edge loop and go to the face grid fill. Add one loop cut here. So in this way you can create this kind of design. This design is little tricky, but you can create it if you observe the process carefully, and you can create in your own way. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.